Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a quiz assignment in Google Classroom. So let's start our video. So guys, as you can see, I have opened the Google Classroom. Then I selected the classroom where I need to create a quiz assignment. Once you do that, click on the classwork, as you can see here. So once you click on the classwork, this menu will open, and here you will find the create option. You need to click on it and this window will pop up, and the first one is assignment, then quiz assignment. You need to tap on it and this window will open, and here you will find the title option. You can give the title any quiz, and then you will find a blank quiz here. So make sure that this one is enabled. Grade importing is enabled. Then you need to just click on the blank quiz and this quiz will open right here. As you can see, it is blank. You can name that one, you can change it from here as well, and then you need to start creating your questions here. If you want to add more question, you can just click on the plus sign here and more questions will be added. If you want to add another section, you can do it from this option right here. So guys, this is just the general things that I discuss here. This is how you can starting to create a quiz in Google Classrooms. Once you created all the questions here, like no matter how many you want to create questions here, once you created these, all you need to do is to go back to your Google Classroom. You can give points to this quiz assignment. You can select the date from here. You can even select the students. If you want to give it to the whole classroom, you can just leave it like that, to all students. You can just provide a rubric if you want to do that as well. Once you're done with each and every setting, all you need to do is this option will be enabled, and you need to press assign, and it will be assigned to your Google Classroom. So guys, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.